Hi, and welcome back to another video by Digital Dump. Today we're going to be talking about hacks. And what is hacks, you will ask? So hacks essentially is a singular web component that knows how to edit other things inside of it. So it's being used to make websites. It's got drag and drop features and makes it super easy to make simple websites which load extremely quickly. And what hack stands for is Headless Authorizing Experience. Now, what is headless? It's an architectural design decision which is not tied to any platform and makes all its calls from the website in as opposed to web server out. And this is done by clearly distinguishing between backend content and front end design. Essentially, what all of this really means is that Hax is headless, decoupled, and powered by JSON and is built with flat files. So, for example, if I was to inspect this website right now, which is made using hax-cms, and go to network, XHR, and reload it, we can see over here that the words and the paragraphs and the content in this website would essentially be controlled by backend developers is just coming from a regular HTML file. What this allows us to do is that the backend developers can edit the content right here within this HTML file without the need for front-end developers to change any of the user interface or any of the design. In today's websites and normally non-hacks websites, what happens is that if you're trying to change the content, the front-end developers then have to go in and ensure that the website is well aligned, well designed to fit that content. However, with hax-cms, the front-end developers determine what the headings are, how all of the content should be organized within a website in a way that backend developers can go in and change the specific HTML file whenever they want to without worrying about it disrupting anything visually on the actual website. So for more information, now what is hax-cms? I mentioned it earlier, and hax-cms is the integration of Hax and CMS, which allows for a hybrid static site generator. The front end consists only of web components, while backend data is extracted from flat files, such as this index.html that we're looking at over here. For example, which can easily be touched and edited. For example, the text you're currently reading is pulled from an external flat file. Which would be this one right here. If a content creator wishes to edit the content, they could easily do so in the external flat file, and their changes would be reflected on the website without the need for a front-end developer to adjust or edit or adjust the design of the page. Data structure in this scenario is saved to and recalled directly from a determined file system, where each page is modified as a single file. The names of the folders allow hacks to determine the structure. As a result, hax-cms eliminates the need for databases, replacing it with a file system, which is more similar to a single zip or Git repo. And this overall allows these websites to load at shocking times as well, because instead of having to load every single component, they're really just having to get the JSON file and the HTML file whenever we reload a new page.